What I'm going to share with you in this video works, and it works really well. Now, I have to warn you, you can use manifestation techniques to manifest something that you want or something you don't want. And I know that's something that no one considers, but I'm pretty sure you know this. Like, there's certain things that maybe in your life you could look back that you really wanted, you achieved it, and it wasn't what you thought. So I'm gonna give you the recipe, and it works. It's worked for me, it's worked for others. It will work for you if you apply it step by step to the T, and I'm going to give you the exact recipe. It will work, but use it at your own discretion. So now the reason I'm making this video first is because I'm applying this stuff myself. Everything I like to share in these videos, by the way, I'm not like a manifestation channel or any of that stuff, right? And not that there's stuff wrong with it. I like to make videos on things that has worked in my life, because I consider myself as someone that I feel like nothing used to work in my life. And I used to watch a lot of manifestation videos, books, and all this stuff, and it still felt like it didn't work until I did certain things that I wasn't doing, and all of a sudden I started getting all these results. And then once it clicked for me, I shared it with a lot of people, first with a handful, like few people. It worked for them, then I share with more people, and then I noticed it works no matter who they are. And I share with people in first world countries, second world countries, third world countries, and it works the same no matter what, which is insane, right? I want to share this because I love giving a lot of value in these videos, and I always made a promise to myself that I want to share stuff that, one, I know it has worked for me, and I'm not just sharing something that I've heard other people say where I'm just repeating, but I'm bringing in things that work, okay? Now, I wrote down some of the things that, using this, just a few examples that I've used in my life to accomplish in my early 20s, and my editor hopefully can put pictures, videos, whatever on the screen. But I have purchased 2 luxury cars. I have videos of both of them. I have, I think the most viewed video on my channel as of right now, this may change in the future, but is me picking up one of those cars, and that car was over $120,000. And I also bought a Mercedes, both by age 22, by the way, right? The current place I live in is like a super nice luxury place. Maybe I could take a video and he could show you that too on the screen. It's like $2,000, and I live in Houston, Texas. Here, like super luxury places are like $1,500, $1,400, and here it's $2,000. So it's like really nice place. I've spoken on stages all over the world in 5-star luxury places, and that was always a dream of mine, to be able to give value to people across the world on stages to hundreds of people. That's actually how I met my current wife right now. Sophie is one of the events I spoke at in front of 200 plus people. She was one of the attendees, and then we ended up talking afterwards, getting to know each other. She's from Germany originally. She's half German, half French. And we met, we liked each other, and now we're married. So I manifested my marriage through some of this. And again, what I'm going to share with you is one of those methods that I use, and I use few other ones. And I share this one-on-one with whoever who reaches out to me on Instagram and stuff, because I love helping you guys, right? And again, in my business, I've created a lot of money, right? I've had days where I've made $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, even $10,000. And I think I made a video, literally one of the times I made $10,000 in one day, I made a video on that. So now, enough about what I've done. I'm just sharing that so you see it works, because you don't want to listen to people who haven't accomplished stuff, or that the stuff they own comes from selling courses and all that stuff. You see, like, I'm just making these videos and I don't have a course to sell you here. It's like I built my wealth through real businesses and so forth, right? And I'm just choosing to share that with you. So now I wrote down the steps here. So I'm going to share this with you. Grab a piece of paper, write this down. So pause this video, grab a paper, write this down, and my editor is going to put the steps somewhere on the screen as well. There's 6 steps, and you want to follow this exact to the T, okay? If you mess something up here, it will not work, or it won't work as well as it can work. And so I'm giving you that right now, okay? So step 1, is you need white paper and blue ink pen, right? So I have a bunch of paper here. Where's my pen? Hold on. There you go. Bunch of paper and a blue pen. This is very important. You don't want black pen, red pen, and again, I can't go into all of that why blue pen specifically right now, but trust me, it does make a difference when it comes to specifically manifesting, okay? So step 1, white paper, blue pen. Step 2, you want to pick a goal or a desire that's important to you right now in this moment, so that when you're going to go through all this step, it's worth it at the end of the day. Okay, so sit down, think of some of the things that's been on your mind that you've been thinking of. Damn, I need this right now, I want this right now. Whether it's a job that you want, whether it's a project you're working on, whether it's a car you want, whether it's a place you want to live at, an apartment or whatever it is, pick something that's very important to you right now. So now step 3, this is very important. We're gonna, before we write anything on the papers you have, you're gonna write this down separately because you wanna get the phrasing proper. So you want to write down your goal in the right words, in the right syntax, right? So in the right order, and you want to write it as if it's already accomplished, as if you already have it. For example, it's a job you want. You could say something, you could write down something like, I'm grateful and thankful now that I have a job that pays me X amount of dollars. If it's a car, I'm thankful and grateful now that I have a car, and then with detail, like write down the specificity. The more the details, the better. Now, don't focus on how soon you will get this thing. That's not as important as the details of what you want. And how you can become more detailed is ask yourself why over and over. And the more you ask yourself why, then you could become more detailed. Because some of the points you might be like, okay, yeah, actually, I don't want this. I want this instead, right? So this is very important. And again, these may sound like it will take a long time to do or that it's tedious. Trust me, it takes, at the beginning, because you're not used to this method, it does take some time. But over time, once you get used to this, you could do this in like 5 minutes. It's so easy, right? So again, step 3, write down what you want as if you already have it, right? And then the 4th step, now with all the papers that you have, right? You're going to have, so what you're going to do is you're going to write down your goal in the right format 70 times for 7 days. 70 times for 7 days. Now, I'm telling you this up front, by the time you get to the 20th time or the 30th time of writing this, your brain will be fatigued. You're gonna feel tired. And that's the whole point. That is part of the process that's supposed to happen. Because when you fatigue your brain, then you enter a state that they call billionaire wave or manifestation wavelength, okay? Or creation wavelength. And what that is when you stop thinking about it, because guess what? The goals you're going to write down, you're going to have doubts. You're going to be skeptical of like, how am I going to get this? Where is this going to come from? That's natural. All of that is part of the step, by the way. Like, you're supposed to feel doubt because you don't have it. And then when you do this over and over and you accomplish different goals, then you get used to it. You're like, oh, the how doesn't matter. I just know the universe will bring that to me. Let me follow the recipe. And it works like law of gravity, okay? So you're going to write it down 70 times for 7 days. It may take you 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. Doesn't matter. Like, think about it like this. If you spent an hour doing this each day, but you got literally the goal and desire you're thinking about every single day, wouldn't that be worth it? How many people are spending 40 hours working at a job they hate for people who they don't like to impress people they don't even care about? So why wouldn't you spend an hour working on something you actually want? Stop working for other people always. I mean, you have to do that for money if you have a job. But the point is, start giving to yourself, right? And that's a whole nother video I can make on why we don't feel like we deserve stuff. If you think I should make a video on that, Leave a comment. Also leave a comment on any questions, anything you want clarification on, all that. Please leave that in the comment. Also share this with a friend that you are building with and you're growing with, you're recreating yourselves with each other so that you can help each other share results and so on and so forth. Now, the goals that I'm telling you to write down, do not share this with anyone, right? Because other people do not have the same aspirations, goals, and desires that you do. And they may not see the potential, right? It's like there's a quote I like, which it says, people think you're crazy until you have the results, and then they think that you're a genius, right? So they will doubt you all along the way. This is supposed to happen, trust me. So now step 5 is, as you're writing down your goal in the state as if you already have it, you want to start visualizing the best you can. I do this as if I'm picturing the goal through my own eyes, right? Like I'm seeing the world, like how you're seeing this video. I kind of visualize. I'm not even that good at visualizing, just like vaguely, right? I can't see clear images, but I try my best. And you want to picture yourself as if you already have the thing. Now, if it's a car, specific car you want, picture yourself as if you're in the car, you're looking around, you're like, oh my God, I can't believe it. You're texting your best friend or whoever, and feel as if it's already there. If it's a job, don't think about what job is it, because that's still thinking about a how, but picture a specific amount of money hitting your bank account, or you telling someone, oh my God, I finally got this job and it's so much better than I thought. And get excited, like that like build up that energy and feel how you think you would feel as if you already have it or had it. And this is part of the recipe as well. Again, if you miss any of these things, save this video, watch it over and over, because new points will stand out to you that you didn't consider. Or as you're doing the exercise, come back to the video, make sure you're going through it step by step. Again, this stuff works, so you're not going to be wasting your time, trust me. And if you need specific, like if something doesn't work, just reach out to me and I'll clarify what's missing, okay? So that was step 5. Now step 6, after you do the 70 times for 7 days, release it, stop thinking about it, detach from whether you're going to get it. Now I know that sounds counterintuitive because you're like, well, I want it, shouldn't I think all the time? But it's this point of like when you release something, that's when it actually comes to you, which is interesting. It's like a puppy. Like you ever chase a puppy, it runs away from you, and then you stop chasing it, all of a sudden it comes to you. You know, I was on my walk earlier on a phone call, and then a random puppy like started chasing me, and the owner had to keep calling the dog over and over, and the dog was like just following me, and I was just like, oh, okay. You know, so it works. And this process, I'm telling you, I do this, it works. I have other methods I have. You see, I have my goals. I mean, I'm not going to share those with you, but I'm also doing it and creating things that I want. Now, there's other tools that I use that are paid, like I paid for them, but those things is like law of creation on steroids. Like that's just for people who really want to take the process of improving themselves serious. Those you have to reach out to me one-on-one. I'm not going to share here because they're very powerful tools. And I always have a link to my description down below, to my Instagram. Subscribe. So if this resonated with you, check out the other videos I have. And again, my whole channel, I like to talk about that phase between where you are starting and the end goal of what you have, and that middle point where most of us feel stuck. My video is supposed to help those people who are in that stage. So if you feel like that's you, subscribe, and I'm going to leave a link to a video that I think you might like next. So I'll see you in that video. Peace.